Hey guys, I'm going to do a quick review of Invoice2Go, which is an iPad app, and I'll show you how to incorporate the pictures and everything into it. Okay, first let's go to the web backend, lifewithtech.net/wp-admin. Once we're there, we're going to hit the add new on the left hand side. And we'll say review Invoice2Go iPad. Yeah, I guess we'll just leave Invoice2Go. Then what we want to do is over here in this little toolbar, there's a little A. You need to click on that. And it's going to pop up another screen, which usually happens to go behind the other one. Not sure why. We want to change the drop down to iPad and the language down to, or country to USA. And then we're going to type Invoice2Go. And that will pop up this. Okay, the first thing we would probably need is the logo too. So we're going to open this link in a new window. And then it's also going to open up iTunes, but we'll close iTunes. But what we'll do is right click on the image over here. Actually, we'll just drag it to our desktop. Second thought, it's not working right. So let's just make a little screen grab of it. That'll work. Okay, the other thing we're going to need is this little ID number. That's what it's going to look to. The application we're using also will make us some money, a small percentage. So I would rather link the actual paid one rather than the free one. Okay, and then we're just gonna save that, put it into Notepad for the time being. Okay, back to like what we did in the other post. We're gonna add that image again that we just downloaded. We put it on our desktop. There it is. Takes a second to upload. We're going to make it the feature image. This will be the image that's seen on all the other websites. We want to copy that portion in the URL. Save all changes. Close the window. Come down to the custom field. Image. Paste. Add custom field. So basically we want to make sure this is here and that we have a feature image that's set over here. Also what we want to do is in categories, since we're doing a review, maybe put it under the reviews section. Maybe select iPad as well. iOS apps. iPad. In the post tag we'll use its name, Invoice2Go, maybe put iPad, comma iPad, and comma iOS, hit add. Okay, so back to what we came here for. Basically what we need to do is use this little tag, bracket app ext, and then the ID number which we pasted before. So we're going to copy that, come back, paste it in there, and then put a bracket on the end. And then we could save draft. Now of course you'd put a, okay, let's just put a little description about the app up there. and maybe my thoughts on the app after. Okay, so now if we hit preview, it will toss it up there. This is popping up a little high, so we actually need a longer description to come all the way down. So if we just do this, if you ever need to add a couple of lines, you could. What I do is I put periods in, and then you could hide them just by turning them white. That's basically how it'll come out. Now, this app does not have that many images and everything linked in there, so you may on occasion get just a box like this rather than a big one. Like if we went ahead and changed it to, let's say we looked up the remote app. And we grab that ID. And we put that in there instead. Just to double check we're doing everything correct. And then we hit preview. And you'll see all the images are in there and everything. Just for some reason, I guess they haven't updated the iTunes with all the images for that actual one. But you can see it actually works if iTunes has the information in there. Just happen to pick one that there isn't. If you have any questions, shoot me a question email or in the little admin panel. Yeah, I'll show you here in a second. If you go to the dashboard, there's a section right here on the notepad that everybody has access to. So ask a question here. And anyone that sees it first could answer it. Alright guys, thank you. Bye.